Thanks, David. First of all, good evening, everyone. Before we get started, a quick introduction about me. So, I am Shiv Sharma, a Microsoft MVP, working in Microsoft technology space with a focus of our platforms, AI-driven solutions, SharePoint. And along with my professional work, I actively contribute to the community through sessions, articles, mentoring. I have had opportunity to train thousands of professionals and students, and I regularly speaks these community events. So let me start with what we are going to explore today. So this session is about how we can build modern confirmation experience in Power Apps. That means usually when we build apps, we end up by creating custom pop-ups for simple confirmations. But Power Apps now give us a cleaner and a much simpler way to handle using this the platform that is confirm function. So this is the agenda for today. So first I will explain the concept and why it matters. So So after that, I will highlight some key benefits and jump into a quick demo. Started. So, so before we go into demo and features, let me give you a quick preview. So imagine a user perform an action like deleting a record or updating a record. Instead of executing it immediately, apps ask for a confirmation using a standard dialog. So that means it will be safer, like just directly clicking on delete button and it will delete. So it's like a confirmation pop-up. So what is confirmation pop-up? So in simple terms, it's allow us to pause action or ask the user to confirm before proceeding. So this is really useful in scenarios where actions are irreversible or like delete or submit or update. Earlier, we are doing this using custom pop-ups, managing state, handling visibility. You have to use multiple containers. So like it's quite complex and time consuming. So that's why now Power Apps introduce you can say out of box confirm function. So that's very easy and very useful in real applications. So first, it built into the platform, so you don't need to worry about UI consistency or so it's like very simple to implement. Uh, it also very lightweight, so instead of adding multiple vertical or horizontal you can say containers and then using variables so hide or like manage them, so it's like it will eliminate all the custom code, custom pop-ups and variables, and it will very helpful. So this is one of the preview. So let me quickly give you go through to the app. So this is one of the screen for the use case where we have like this is a speaker responsive platform for the speakers where you can remove or you can update or add or you can export to Excel of these record. So let's say this is one of the classical example where whenever you click it, so this is your custom pop-up where you need to first have a container and you have to define its X, Y positions with visibility, its layout, height, and then even color if for background visibility on. So all we have to define it. Similarly, for the next container, that is this you can say inside pop-up model pop-up where you are defining your message like I want to sure you want to remove this item like that. So you have to add a label, you have to like give alignment of each and everything like for label, for button, even for that cancel icon. So we all manually we have added, so it's like a very tedious work and very time consuming. So similarly we have to like color and define the button text, so it is like quite difficult. So how we can read about it? So in this one of the screen I have implemented, so this is the same use case where this is the dashboard page for the speakers where I have implemented this confirm function on click of this delete icon which I have just added in the top of the right of the card. So in the previous sessions I have also explained how we can make this kind of card screen where I have put it this icon and I have put this simple formula. So whenever you want to implement this, so you have to you have to put this formula. So it is nothing. So first, so if it's like a gate where you have to confirm the user he's click confirm or not. So if it is confirmed, then we have to just write the message in the confirm brackets, like whatever you want to show in that. So in my case, I am just asking user, okay, like this action will permanently delete the records from your list or from database. So are you sure you want to do that? If still user like click confirms, then I'm just checking one more, you can say gateway, which is like checking like he user is having permission or not. So if in case any error occurs, so that we are also maintaining that. So in case if it is perfectly fine, he have having permissions and all, so then we are just removing. So this is a function remove, and it this is my list name, and I am just removing the current item which is I have clicked on that particular item. So whenever I clicked it, so it will remove that item. And if it is successful, so it will say message in success record successfully deleted, and the notification type is success. In case if any error occurred, so I have also uh, passed the error message as well. Let's say just delete failed. So I have also added some icon. So and also mention the notification type as error. So that's how, if in case user delete it, first it will ask, so are you sure you want to delete or not, that message. And if you continue, please confirm. If you click cancel, so that will do nothing. It will say you, hey, this is deletion cancelled. But in case if you delete Alex, one of the speaker, and click confirm, so it will delete the data from the list and show you the uh, record successful deleted message. And if you can see, it also have uh, refresh function, uh, which will remove it from the list too. So it are simple but very useful way to minimize your like efforts, and it's like it's effortless, and you have only need to this formula for whole custom pop-up instead of uh, defining containers like this container first for whole screen, then container second, then icons, labels, then buttons. So it's like all tedious. So for minimize all the work, we can simply write a confirm function, define it, and define our message, and we can even post, we can successfully refresh our list as well. So this this is uh, so so this is the conclusion. So basically so to wrap up, this approach help us to keep our apps clean, simple. We do not need to spend much time building and maintaining custom pop-ups. It improves user experience by clearly confirming actions, and overall it reduces the development efforts, and it's giving a professional look as well. Yep, that's it.